Okay, here we are, guys. So get ready. I'm gonna preload it a little bit and let it rip. Let's see what this 5.0 got. Four-wheel drive high. That is not bad. This 5.0, there is no denying it for a fact that this 5.0 runs strong. It runs strong. Here we are. Preload the boost, let it go. Whoa! Whoa! This thing, guys, this thing is a rocket. This twin turbo V6 hauls ass. It's very fast. Okay, we're gonna stop here. I hope we're not gonna get any wheel spin, even although we are in all-wheel drive, and we'll see if we can get just a little preload. And 60. I said 60, but I went to 100, so screw it.